that door. Yeah. Yeah.
Why can't you check? I want to check. Hi. Yeah, there's someone.
Where's Dad? Dad? Dad, is this yours? Wait, is that?
I don't
Where's
know.
Dad?
I don't know.
I think he
I
was...
think this is another cat cage.
Yeah, I guess so. Another cat.
Here,
Oh my.
That's up. Hey, why not go down?
Okay, I'll do it. Right here.
Be careful, you.
Hi everyone, welcome to kmaniotv. So it's been a while since our last unboxing video.
Here we are again and so excited to share with you all
Our new toy!
What is special about this is it is a combination of 6 robots called Constructicons.
Scrapper, the right leg, Hook, the upper body, Bonecrusher, the left arm, Longhaul, the lower body, Mixmaster, the left leg, and Scavenger, the right arm. Devastator is an immensely powerful warrior. They are the most destructive member of the Decepticons.
Under the command of ruthless Megatron and the fully transformed Devastator stands at 15.5 inches.
Wow, that's huge! Are you ready to see Devastator? But before we go further, we would like to share with you our Transformers collection. Here we have Starscream, also known as the right command, or should I say right hand command? Okay. Of Megatron, which is actually here. Here he is. And actually, which I was actually confused and why this is Bonecrusher. Why couldn't he be here? I don't think this guy could fit as the Devastator.
Man, he's small.
And he's too small. I'll change this guy soon.
And here we have is one of our dino bots called Slag. I'm not even sure I saw any bots called Slug, but I'm not sure. So.
But here we have Grimlock. This one was actually from Transformers.
Robots in the sky.
Yeah. And we have 3 Transformers. Actually, this is not a Transformer. It's we have Optimus Prime. This I think this was part of the Transformers Last Night. That one is from the Dark of the Moon.
And before he had an Allspark inside, which I don't know who lost it. Maybe you.
I didn't lost it. You lost it.
Oh, I was born that time.
Oh,
Actually, it's mine, right? So I'm the one who lost it.
Oh, good one.
Oh yeah, good point. And here we have Drift. This is from the Transformers.
The Last Night.
Yeah, the Last Night. He was actually blue from the Transformers
I think.
Age of Extinction.
Yes.
Yeah. And
You really know the movies, right?
yeah, we do.
And here we have the Steel Jaw
Was
from Robots in the Sky as well.
which here is from Transformers Prime,
From 2010.
also known as Bulkhead. And that's which we had another Transformer
Oh,
called Sideswipe, but
lost it
But-
a few years ago.
but here we have another Decepticon.
Now let's unbox it. I can't wait.
Okay,
From that, here it is.
alright. Here we go.
Let's get
Whoa.
rid of this.
So here we have, I think, some instructions. I'm good at those.
Not me. And now here we have this.
The box.
Ooh, box.
Kidding.
Everything. And more hands.
These two they don't have any name.
Normal.
They're just normal beings.